Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to use any screen time feature and you are facing the issue that your screen time not working properly, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this. First of all, you need to go back and guys, now you need to open your settings again and click on general. From here, you have to scroll it down. You need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your old settings. And after this, you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to check for software update. And guys, if you're using iOS 18 beta 1 or beta 2, then guys, you need to update your device to iOS 18 beta 3. And guys, if you're using also iOS 18 beta 3 or public beta, then guys, you need to downgrade your version from iOS 18 to iOS 17, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem and still you are facing the issue that screen time not working, then guys, you need to open your Apple Sport app. And guys, the another way to open Apple Sport, you need to open Safari and you need to search support.apple.com. And guys, if you have this app on your device, you need to open this app, and after this you need to select your gadget. From here, scroll it down, click on more, and guys, you need to find here screen time. So guys, after finding it, you need to click on your screen time, and now you need to wait for some seconds, click on call. And guys, you need to call at this number. You have to tell all the problem that you're facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.